Now, more than ever, we need our stories to be told around the world, around the country. Our true stories. Kailangan talaga natin ang mga artistang katulad nila, actors, writers, directors, na maglalahad at maglalarawan ng mga tunay nating kasaysayan at tunay nating pagkatao.
Kailangan pa rin mapanood ng mga Pilipinong pelikula natin eh. There's still...
And you can see there's
it's growing. There's an awareness now that we have better films, dynamic ang cinema natin, we're on a par with other cinemas of the world, like ang Norte ngayon, contender nga, sana makapasok sa Oscars.
It's worth a watch. It doesn't really feel like it's 4 hours actually. A lot of these films can't get any distribution in a theatrical release, like a mass release. And so I think that to be able to disrupt this type of stronghold on distribution, we need more people to support intelligent films, films that actually have value, and also helps us have increase our sensibilities in our art and culture.
Classic Love Diaz, everything establishing shots is very precise, and the story is very deep. It's very moving and politically relatable.
Paglabas namin, puro questions yung nasa tanong namin. Parang puro questions nasa isip namin. Like yung film, it made us go beyond the film. Parang anong nangyari na sunod, bakit ganun nangyari.